What are you eating?
Romantic gummies. They call it.
Welcome back to another episode of Nick
And Matt. Cheers!
Cheers.
Vegetable.
Got my smoothie guide on the fridge. I will have a link down below if you guys want to download it. It's free and it gives you the perfect formula for the perfect green smoothie. So I made this banana bread last night. It looks so good. Look at that crust, guys. Okay, I'm gonna cut 2 slices for Matt and I to take with us today.
I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm.
An official good morning. Welcome to the vlog. My chauffeur, Mr.Matt.
Yeah, that's it.
And we are actually, it's Saturday morning. We woke up at like 6 a.m. today, so yeah, it was a bit early for me. Matt's like all cheery this morning, and I was like, because I don't drink coffee, so it's like really hard for me to just wake up that early and not feel groggy right off the bat. Today we are actually heading to a real estate event, and I think it's from like 8 in the morning to like 1 p.m. So it's one that we go to every few months. It's by Rockstar Real Estate. It's like a real estate network that we're a part of, and we've really been enjoying them. And it's run by 2 brothers named Nick and Tom. We were actually on their real estate podcast a little while ago, if you guys remember that. I will link that down below if you want to listen to it. Yeah, I thought it gave a good background on our story about real estate and kind of the HealthNut nutrition business and kind of what we do. And then so we're going to that for a few hours, and then afterwards we're going to, sorry, it's like so early, I have to think. And then afterwards we're going to the States. So we have to pick up a few things from our P.O. box, and then we may or may not be going to Trader Joe's and some other shopping. So I'm actually planning on filming a really cool video for Trader Joe's. So I'll tell you guys about that later, but we're just heading to the conference. I got the other half of my green smoothie in my little tumbler here, because I usually try to drink like 2 large glasses of it. That's like breakfast for me. Having that full, and then I packed up 2 slices of the banana bread, which you probably saw already, so we can have as like a mid-morning snack. Otherwise I get so hungry in these conferences and I just can't focus. I get seriously hangry. Steps in. So see you guys in a little bit. So cold. Feeling awake yet?
Yeah. Cold though.
Maybe the cold will help wake me up.
If you look here, last year it surpassed an average of $1 million per acre of low-density land. 466,000 people are subscribed to her YouTube channel. What kind of audience and reach does she have? This was not possible 10 years ago. This was not possible 10 years ago. We're also going to bring Nikole. Nikole graciously volunteered, and that said they would come in and share how they're building their YouTube presence and now marrying it with a Shopify store. So they're smartly not just building a YouTube audience. They are now creating a Shopify store to go with their YouTube audience. They're coming on to share that story.
So we are back in the car, and yeah, it was a really good networking event. I mean, I feel like we learned a lot of stuff. We got some really good tips.
Yeah.
Different strategies, and like sometimes it's nice, even though it's a real estate conference, they talk about different things. Like it's more so about like entrepreneurship you know, living life on your own terms. Their like slogan is like your life, your terms. And it's just very inspiring. You get to meet some really cool people, and we actually had the YouTube channel shown twice. I think I got it both on camera. They were talking about us since we were on, like I mentioned, their podcast, and we're gonna be speaking at an event coming up in June for the Rockstar real estate community. So that's gonna be really exciting. I think we're talking about like social media, Shopify, building an audience, building a brand, all that. We gotta figure out our slides, we don't know yet. To be continued. But it was just like, it was great. We got to, like I said, meet some really cool people that are doing cool things, and I just think it's so important that whatever industry that you're in, network, go to different talks, go to conferences and stuff like that. Like we keep saying how we want to go to more conferences, and it's just, you know, never stop learning, never stop getting inspired, because you know, someone may look at us and be like, oh, you guys are doing great, you know everything. We don't know everything, and one of my favorite sayings is you don't know what you don't know. So going to like things like this early morning on a Saturday may not always seem like the first thing you want to do, but like, you know, this morning I was so tired, but after going to it, I was like, oh, I'm so happy we went. They obviously talked about us like on stage. We met a few people. Some people are like, hey, like we listened to your podcast. It's really cool. Your story's awesome. So it's just, I just love connecting with other people and being inspired. So that was a really good one, eh?
Yeah, I took like 4 pages of notes, writing like crazy.
Yeah, that's
but
a
no,
note
I love,
taker.
like I think like we both really respect the Tom and Nick, like the guys and what they're doing and the business they've created, and hearing other people and like the businesses they've done, and you know, the guy talking about the Archangel Summit, which is like 6,000 people or 5,000 people that go to it.
Like Elizabeth Gilbert's going to it. Right when he said that, I was like, I need to go.
I was like, who's Elizabeth Gilbert?
I know.
But yeah, no, it was fun. It was great, man. Like, you know, just getting to connect with them, and so being recognized on the stage with them is kind of always still surreal
it's so
for me.
Cool. I did not expect that. Like they're talking about YouTube, and then all of a sudden, like our channels on the slide. We're like, so I like quickly grabbed the vlog camera. I was like, I gotta get this on camera. So yeah, it's just like we love that they support us, and we're just really excited to continue going to these conferences. And yeah, and this is like not sponsored in any way. Like we pay for the membership with them. We've just really been inspired by what they do. So but now we're off to
Buffalo.
Trader Joe's. I always say it like that, Trader Joe's. We're going to Buffalo, New York. We have to go pick up some stuff from our P.O. box. Is my surprise going to be in there?
No, it's
Delayed? Oh, Matt said he got a surprise for me, but apparently it's delayed. So yeah, we're going to Buffalo, go to a P.O. box, and then we'll go to Trader Joe's, because I'm filming a special video with Trader Joe's that I'll talk about more when we get there. But for now, we're gonna be in the car for, Matt was like 118 minutes. I'm like, no, it says an hour and 18 minutes. So he was just being silly. Smart pants.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna be brainstorming stuff. This is when we get all our juices going when we're driving.
It's a good thing with those events. Any event you go to, I find you always leave with a bit of
inspiration,
energy.
Yeah, I love it. So yeah, we're gonna talk some ideas about future things, and for now we'll just do a little clip of the road. It's very snowy outside.
Get this party started. I got the music playing loud.
So we are officially in Buffalo, New York.
A-O Buffalo. A-O Buffalo.
I don't know that one.
Buffalo. I don't know. I think maybe I made it up.
Oh, okay. I was like, anyways, we grabbed our stuff from the P.O. box. There wasn't too much. We were expecting some stuff for the shop, but it did not arrive. Everything's like delayed because of the weather right now. But I got my surprise. Matt thought it would be fun to, I don't know if I can, hang on. Matt surprised me. He just got this printed on just like a random shirt for fun. But we have been like kind of working on apparel ideas for the HealthNut shop. And we have this really cute, I don't know if you can see. It says, peanut butter is my jam. And our friend Kayla actually custom drew these online, and oh, I'm not gonna, yeah, cute, yep, looks good. Anyways, our friend Kayla actually made these custom designs, and I just think they're so cute. So I'm gonna maybe wear these in a video or something and just see how I like the design. But we have a bunch of really fun apparel ideas. We're always thinking of new ideas for the shop and stuff. So you guys can wait for that to pop up in the near future. So now we're actually heading to Trader Joe's. It's in the background. I see you, Joe. I see you, Trader.
The promise.
I know. Get very excited. So basically, I'm gonna be picking up my staples at Trader Joe's because I want to do a video on like the things, my staples at Trader Joe's and the things I think you should always grab when you're there. So I think this will be a good resource for like Canadians. If you guys are, you know, at Trader Joe's visiting the US and you're like, what do I get? Like, what are the good stuff to get? Not things that we're just trying out. There have been a lot of hits and a lot of misses when it comes to Trader Joe's. So I'm gonna pick up the things that I think are worth getting just because I want to restock on them, and I think it'll be a good video for you guys. And then we're gonna go to Target just to see what they have there because I really like Target. I get a lot of like my food like props, photography props and stuff there, and like home decor things. I love Target for that, and I think you can order online if you're Canadian like me. You can order online, but since we live pretty close to the border, we just go there when we're here. So all right, let's go see what Trader Joe's has. Hopefully they have all of my staples for the video. What are you eating?
Romantic gummies. Call it.
All right, I think we have everything. Matt's already at the cashier because he rushes me all the time in here. But I got a couple more things and then we're good to go to Target. So I'm trying out these protein bars from Tone It Up. I got a couple of tea towels for food photography, got some cute dishes, and then Matt got LaCroix. So I'm gonna do a little lab taste test. So I'm hungry. Oh, they're so cute. Look at that packaging. We need some HealthNut protein bars. You wanna try this?
Sure.
This is the salted caramel. Not bad. What's in it? It's not bad. Let's see Matt's reaction.
Kind of bland.
Yeah. Like, I'm gonna eat it. Not the best thing I've ever had. We always try to guess which lane to pick, but they're all slow.
You know, it's weird. Sometimes it seems like when you're up there, it goes so quick, but like when you're waiting, it seems like it takes every car.
You're like, how many
so
questions
long.
are they asking?
It's like,
When we were coming across, the guy's like, why do you guys cross the border so much? Like, why do you guys fly so much? First off, I don't fly that much, but it was a compliment because I don't like flying. And I was like, yes, he thinks we fly a lot. And we're like, traveling? And he's like, what do you do for work?
I think we should have gone to that.
It's kind of funny. The far one. See, we always pick the wrong one. It is 6:30 right now, and battery is dying.
Let us back into Canada.
I know, we just want to go back home. So anyways, I think for dinner tonight, we're gonna eat some Trader Joe's stuff that we got.
It'll probably be melted. With these limes, it'll be melted.
I know, we got some frozen stuff, so hopefully it's, I got these like acai packages, and they're definitely gonna be melted.
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within.
perishable or the dry food stuff in the bags, because tomorrow we're gonna do a grocery haul, so you guys can stay tuned for that video. Everything that needs to go in the fridge and freezer, we're gonna put it in now. Matt's just gonna organize the fridge a little bit because it's getting a little crazy. All right, so for dinner, I think we're gonna cook up some of these Italian turkey sausages with this mushroom risotto that we got from Trader Joe's. It says it's about 12 minutes to cook up, and yeah, we've had this one before and it's really, really good. So we're gonna have that, and then, I don't know, maybe like some sauteed kale on the side. Something quick and easy.
And it's a smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place.
So the only thing I did different here is I added in some shiitake mushrooms that I had in the fridge, just to kind of liven it up a bit, because those are the mushrooms that came in it, and I just kind of like to beef up fast food dinners like this. So, but it looks like it's coming together really good. I'm just letting it cook a little bit longer, and then we can probably eat.
Never to part. I wanna be with you always.
I'm also adding on some of this horseradish mustard from Kozlik's. So good, and I think it's gonna go really good with the sausage. So, don't you agree, Matthew?
Very much so.
I kind of burned the pan. There's water soaking. That is not gravy. It looks like gravy, eh?
That is not. I knew it wasn't gravy.
All right, I'm gonna put some of this on, and we're gonna eat. So I thought we've had this risotto before, but we had a different one. So I added some shiitake mushrooms.
Hot. I think that's the one we had. Tastes the same.
Yeah?
That's good.
Okay.
That's good. That's nice. I like that. Beats making
Lots
your
of
own
greens.
risotto.
I know, just forever.
Hey guys, so we totally fell asleep last night on the couch watching The Office. You know, Michael Scott. All
It's a
those
good
funny
one.
things. Yeah. I mean, we've watched it before, but yeah. So we passed out. I think had a glass of wine. We're watching The Office. You know, before you know it, we wake up, it's like 1 o'clock. And we just
wild
went,
animals
wild,
at
wild
night.
guys.
Yeah.
So
Crazy Saturday night.
yeah, all in all, great day. Thanks for watching.
We just finished filming a relationship Q&A on how to have a healthy relationship, so that will be coming soon.
Yeah.
If it's not already up by the time this goes out live. And I'm actually just about to make us lunch, and then we're gonna go for a walk, get some fresh air.
Yeah.
So.
So thanks for watching Nick and Matt vlog every Friday. Be sure to subscribe.
3 p.m. Eastern
Thumbs
time.
up. All that good stuff. Today's the Super Bowl, so you know, good
Get
luck.
Your
Good
jalapeno
luck.
poppers, your nacho dips. I don't know what we might be having. I don't know what we're having later.
We'll have something fun. Question of the day today. Because it's the Super Bowl, what is your favorite Super Bowl or like sporting event type like snack? You know, like it's like nachos. Is it? I don't know.
Yeah, what's your? I love. You know what I love? That seven layer dip.
Ooh, that
It's
is.
so good. We should make a healthy one.
Yeah. So
That's
I think like
good.
I think like nachos.
You love
Yeah.
nachos.
Nachos.
Have you had a jalapeno popper? We don't really
Jalapeno
make them
poppers
often, but they're
are good too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
those are good. So
Now I'm
leave
getting
it-
hungry.
I know. I'm so hungry. Let's have lunch. Leave your snack suggestions down below, and thank you so much for watching. It was so much
Thanks.
fun, and we'll see you guys in the next vlog.
Bye.
Bye. Let's go eat.
I don't wanna be alone. Spend too much time by myself.